Hi there, I'm Nesbitt Ikonomu with Junk Removal Authority, working in the marketing department. I'm here to talk to you about Google Ads verification. Google has hopped on the verification train that all these various social media platforms and such are using, except in this case, it's mandatory. If you don't do it, they're gonna cut off your ads. It's an annoying thing. I'm just gonna get that out of the way. It's annoying. I hate that you have to do this, but here we are. Google comes for us all in the end. They don't have a set deadline for everybody, but at some point, they'll send you an email and they'll say, it is time, you must get verified. So I'm gonna give you some information on how you can get verified so that you don't have to worry about that anymore. I know it's annoying that you're having to share more of your personal information with a giant company, but this is the price of doing business. But there is good news. I know a lot of people who had to go through the rigmarole of getting their Google My Business profile verified. It is not that hard. It's not gonna be as crazy in depth as that, where you're making a video of going through all your documents and whatnot. So to get verified, you need to show two forms of identification. And I'm gonna tell you the easiest ones, and then I'm gonna have a link down in the description that's gonna show you the whole process. You can use the front and back of your driver's license, your stamped EIN paperwork. If you are a JRA client, then we can do this stuff for you. You just get in touch with us, get us these documents, and we'll take care of it for you. You don't even have to worry about it. So if you get an email from them, you have 30 days to respond to the email to start the process. Once you start the process, you have 30 days from then to finish the process. If you don't do it in time, they're gonna shut down your ads. Simple as that. If you're proactive and you don't wait until they send you an email, once you complete the process, you can have verification within 24 hours, could be 2 weeks. But that's it. For everything else, we've got great tips, great video resources here on the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.